No idea what we're doing today, but we're gonna figure it out.
And it goes a little something like
You tell me. Bet. Alright, y'all. So today, I'm gonna go out with my boy Matt. I'm gonna clean up his E38, do a little intro on his E38. He just got it not too long ago. It's thing's dope, but definitely could use more low. It's I'm gonna do a how to static on his car later. A nice little video on that, because that's the goal for that thing. Just get it as low as we possibly can and daily it. It's cool. It's definitely freaking awesome. The interior on the thing's amazing. So I'll definitely show you guys some more, but let's enjoy some nice driving over to the wash. Hold on. Let me get like let me get some before and afters.
What do we do first, rinse? Rinse first?
Yeah. Disgusting. Y'all want to get a shot of you getting all the grime off the wheels? Like hit that.
It's only not even come off. Take it to the rag, bro. Look at that.
It kind of came off. Daily. Honestly, dude, it actually looks kind of sick on camera. It's 30 degrees. And it's sunny. The first wash in months. Yeah. Let's go over there. Cold. Ooh, nice interior.
Oh, over there?
Ooh, so nice.
Can I
Yeah,
go
it's
that
the
way
left.
so I don't gotta hit that bump?
I honestly don't think so. I think it's closed off.
I'll find a way back in here.
I think it might be closed off. Let's find out. Maybe.
No, I think you can get in.
No, it was. No, it's not.
Let's go around.
So wet.
Baby.
Oh. So nice.
Can you get in? Is it really blocked off?
Bruh. The one way, so you have to do a U-turn.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're good right there. Look, never mind. You gotta do U-turns. The tires are wet. We should find out this thing can do a burnout. A U-turn right here. You made it. Yeah, I really didn't think you were gonna make it. Big ass boat. What year is this boat?
98. I like the 01 also has the headlights aren't just the rectangles. It has the bumps on them. You know what I'm talking about?
I think so. Rather than just like, I swear to God, those are like E36 headlights.
Yeah, these are like old, but it's the same like model that they've changed the fucking.
You got bricks.
God, this is embarrassing. It's a wet car. All to avoid it. Speed bump. I know. This is embarrassing.
I told you it was closed off. That's crazy. The OBD2 port is right there. I don't want to touch it.
Yeah, don't touch it. It'll break. I saw this video and it was all like, did you think BMW made these cup holders for you to put your drink in? They don't even come out because I broke them.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I feel like it's gonna fucking.
Now it breaks in half.
Yeah, it's gonna eject those Cedo.
Just parking right here.
I'm gonna move my car, bring it over here. There he is. Dude, they already look better. They look like ass. Like
It looks like straight ass, like the very worst you could have wheels like. All right, now we got polish.
yeah, they already look like 10 times better.
Bruh. Horrible with this shit.
But yeah, this shit's
I don't
like
even know what to do about that. What do you,
gangrene.
What do you do?
Damn,
I
son.
never even did that. That's how they came.
That's how they came. Yeah, dude. Definitely. A wash made a huge difference. Actually looks kind of baller. They're shiny. They're not green anymore.
Yeah, they are.
Well, you can't notice it driving. They're actually shiny. Look at that. Yeah. The low 7. Big boy 7, big boy M3. How is your car wider?
By nature. There's an M5 and an M6. There should be an M7.
Yeah. But I mean, it's just big body cruiser. Like, you're not racing that thing, are you? You like making the wheels go slanty and whatnot. It's gonna be over here somewhere.
It's an attachment.
Look,
What?
power sanding tools. Look at all that. Cone, tapered buff.
Yeah, they really is.
Yeah, just in case one explodes.
Yeah, they
Harbor
look
Freight.
like-
This is what we need.
Yeah.
Extreme foaming gun. Extreme foam. Focus. Extreme foam. Yeah, dog. I think that's your best bet right there. It's like my first time recording in a store, and it feels like super awkward. My goodness. Everybody just like sees the camera and they just go like. they just panic. I'm like, oh, I feel so bad. So, we're home. Matt didn't follow me. He took the wrong exit. And yeah, now we're stuck here waiting for him. So should pull up anytime. He didn't go too far off the beaten path. But I don't know. This thing might get some love today, just in the form of a cigarette lighter. Because that cigarette lighter bed like a few months ago. It's kind of annoying. But look at her. Oh god. Oh god. Look at that. Yeah, I definitely need to roll these fenders because she rubbed pretty good through the tires whenever I rip. But yeah, definitely if I roll the fenders, I could get a lot tighter, probably that tight, and not have to worry about rubbage. On the other side, I still haven't fully. I mean, it's sitting like this because it's at an angle, but sick. All right, look, I finally decided to roll up. Cut to some wheel polishing montage.
Review.
How to polish. 7 with a little bit of spray on ceramic coat and some shitty ass lighting. They did it.
It looks sick.
Misfire, you hear that?
Sick. Right before we do a burnout. So the 7 is about to try its first burnout. It's had it for like what? A month? I think. Go for it, here. Take the camera.
Doesn't want to spin.
Dude, we're idiots.
Why?
Traction control's on.
Bruh.
Ah!
I forgot.
I forgot this car has traction control.
Like, that thing still has traction control. I'm like thinking it's 30. There we go. Okay, now let's see.
Damn.
Oh, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just need to turn off traction control.
Yeah, go park it real quick now.
You does sick Bernie.
Park it before the neighborhood freaks out. Damn, this shit smells.
Yeah, I smelled it for sure. I don't know, it could be tire too.
And-
That shit smoked them.
And rim.
Feathered it because I didn't want to just mash limiter.